Hi everybody. I'm coming on, as the title says, because this month me and Lesley are doing a bit of a collab where we use our dies to create projects, and I'm pretty sure whether it gets stuck to or not, it's a Monday, Wednesday and Friday that we upload our videos. So you're going to have to work with me with my desk being a bit of a mess, because it is a mess. Got a lot of things that I'm doing at the minute, and I've done a lot of stuff for the charities which I support, which is the Sea Cadets, Armed Forces and Parkinson's. So I've been doing a lot of stuff lately, so it's just all a big mess. So the dies that we're going to be using today, well, that I've used today, is this is the sort of the closest to describe this is the top note die and various circle dies. So, oh, by the way, we're making a handbag card holder. So that's the biggest die. That's the smallest die out of that set. That's that die, and then I've used the nesting dies with the hearts for those. So we're going to assemble this now. So all that you do is you fold this in half, decide which side you want on the outside. I've used double-sided for this just so it's pretty on the inside as well. There we go. Then we're going to take this. This is going to be our handle. This is the first time I've assembled this. I've cut all the pieces, so bear with me. So I'm just going to cut the handle here. Just cut the circle. And we're going to stick the circle down. But I don't want to use the glue dot because obviously it's a lacy die, so it's going to stick everything together if I do that. So I'm just going to put a little dab of glue either side and stick the handle down. There, that's the handle down. Oops. There, so I'll stick the handle down like that. The handle on. And then this is going to be where you put your message. So you can either stamp on it or write on it or whatever you want to do. Or put peel off on it. All different ideas. Just stick that down. Onto here. Stick that down. Stick down. Now we're going to do the like I say, this is the first time that I've actually done this, and we'll fold it not quite in half. We'll fold it like that. Let's see how that looks. Yep, that'll work fine. I'm just going to glue this one down on the top of it. Find where I folded it before. Actually, I think it'll look better the longer sides at the front if we can get away with attaching it. Let's lift it up. Just wondering whether to snip these just so it lies. So I think I'm going to snip them just snip them off, just so it's a bit, just so it lies flatter. Yeah, I'll snip them points off if you're using this die and not the top note die, because it'll sit better for you. So which side did I say? I wanted the longest side. Right. Oop, a bit of double-sided tape. Oh, where's my thinner one? Can't find my thin one. No, we'll glue it. Actually, yeah, because at least you've got a bit of wiggle room if you glue it. You can adjust it. Yeah, so that's a very dull day today, extremely dull here. Right, let's just flip that because I don't want glue to stick it. Right, so we'll let that dry a minute, and on the inside we'll stick our card. So I've just used my loyalty points cards for Hobbycraft as an example. So we stick the card on there, just use a glue dot. Got to let that dry a bit yet because I don't want it all sticking together. You would probably put a couple of glue dots on here just to hold it better, but with this just being an example and it's my loyalty card, obviously I'm not going to give that to somebody for a gift. So fold that over like that. There's your little handbag. But what we're going to do is just to hold it in place, you would use, this is just a glue dot on here, but I don't want to stick it, I don't want to actually stick it down, so I'm going to get it ready for when I do use it. But you would actually obviously glue dot it down so it stayed down. I'm just going to take a gem and I'm just going to pop it there. So that is the project. Obviously, like I say, that will be stuck down like that. You open it up and you've got a gift card inside, and like I say, you put your message in. So that's using the equivalent to the top note dies, which is that, and the circle dies. Really easy project for teacher appreciation or craft fair ideas. Do it in Christmas card, to do it for a card holder for Christmas present. It's just a nice, quick, easy project. Very, very quick to put together. You can mass produce them, and like I say, do your glue dot like that. And then when you're ready at the end, put all the cards in, put your gem on, and then just whip that off and glue dot it down. Just do a conveyor belt line of them. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.